Hello everybody, it's me Charlotte. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a fantastic day so far today. Because today it's just kind of like a catch-up day. I just wanted to come on here. It feels like I haven't done a video in forever. So I just wanted to make a quick video, let you guys know what I've been up to, what I've been working on, what I have planned for the future, and just things to talk about. So with all that being said, that's what you can expect in today's video. But first, as always, I want to take this time to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel. Thank you for liking and commenting and sharing my videos. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do so now, and don't forget to click that bell icon when you do. That way you'll be notified when I upload. Also, there'll be some links in the description below if you want to follow me on Facebook or join my private Facebook group. Alright, that's out of the way. Let's get into what this video is really all about, and it's just basically what I've been up to. Like I said, I haven't made a video and it feels like forever, so I just wanted to let you guys know what I've been working on behind the scenes, what I have planned for the upcoming videos, and if you guys want to let me know what you would like to see, that would be great also. Just leave it in the comments below. But first, I want to start out with, I purchased Addy Flexi Flips. I don't know if you've heard of them, I'm sure some of you have, but they're basically like DPNs or double pointed needles, but they're like this. All three needles are like this, and they flex in the middle and they're really short. But what's really neat about them is they have a pointy tip. They have a pointy tip and they have like a dull tip. They're Addy, I think the duller tip is like the turbo set, and this is something else. I don't know. I plan on doing a whole review on these. So yeah, look forward to that. But I've been working on this sock with these Addy Flexi Flips. And I've never used DPNs before the way they were meant to be used, like working in the round. I've used them for like short projects, you know, like dishcloths and like the 10-stitch blanket. They're great for that. So I've never really worked with DPNs, and I can tell you, I usually make my socks with magic loop, but it's a learning experience. It takes time to adjust to know exactly how to use these. I mean, it's not hard. Once you get going, I've never used DPNs like they were intended to be used, and I've created what looks like a sock so far. So yeah, it's not really difficult. Like I said, I'm going to do a video on these and a review and just let you guys know what I think of them after I kind of practice with them for a little while and get used to them, and I'll let you guys know what I think. But that's one thing I've been working on, are those, the Addy Flexi Flips. I'm trying to learn how to use them properly. Another thing I've been working on is crochet. I've been doing a lot of crochet, more so than knit lately, and I think it's just a phase I'm going through. I do that quite often. I will go and I will knit for a very long time, and that's all I do, and then for some reason my brain just says, okay, time to crochet, and then I'll just crochet for a really long time and not knit for a while. So I've been working on a few things. If you guys follow me on Facebook, I'm sure you've seen this. This is what I've been working on. This is the mile a minute Afghan, and it goes really fast, and I think it's because you don't really have time to get bored, because there's different sections and you're not working on the same thing over and over and over again. It's not like repetitive. So it's really fun, and you can do a lot with the colors. This, of course, is not finished. I'm really bad about that. I'm sure a lot of you are also, but I will start something and I will never finish it, and it becomes just a whip or a work in progress, or just sad and lonely stuffed in a plastic tote somewhere in the closet, and it never gets finished or looked at again. But I do plan on doing a video tutorial on how to do the mile a minute Afghan. Like I said, really nice, easy, and it goes pretty quick. So that's another thing I've been working on. If you guys want me to make tutorials and anything else, like I said, just let me know in the comments below. Another thing I've been working on, like I said, guys, I never finish anything. I see something, it looks interesting, I have to try it, I get it, I understand it, I do a few rounds, or I make a small sample, and then it's like, okay, I mastered it. Now I'm done. Move on to the next thing. So that's kind of what happened with this. This is just it's worked in the round, like almost like a granny square would be worked. And it's just like little fans, like crocheted fans. I don't know, can you see? It's really fun. It's easy. You can do it all in one color. You can do it in 2 colors like I have here. But again, I was thinking about doing a tutorial on how to do this also. Just let me know, like I said, if there's anything else you guys want to see on my channel. I'll be more than happy to give it a go and try it out. But those are just some things I've been working on. And that's pretty much it. Of course, I've tried other things. I was thinking about, now I don't know if this is a good idea or not, but I was thinking about maybe doing like a dishcloth series, like maybe for a month or a couple weeks. Every couple days I'll come out with like a new stitch. Well, I didn't make it up, but it's new to the channel, or new to me. I just learned it, and I'll try to make it into like a dishcloth, and maybe that could be something interesting. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, so I've just been practicing different stitches, different techniques, and trying to better myself and learn more. So that's what I've been up to, and it's summertime. It's so nice outside. I just want to be outside more and do more outdoor activities, so I haven't really been spending too much time knitting or crocheting. I know it's horrible, but you know, I think we only get like 6 months of nice weather here in Ohio, and I like to be outdoors and spend it outside. So yeah, that's what I've been up to. Another thing I wanted to talk to you guys about is supporting my channel. Now, I'm not asking anyone to support my channel. Never will I ever ask you for direct donations or Patreon or anything like that. But I have set up this like merch store, I guess is what people call it. Now, I'm not young and hip, and I don't have a million subscribers like a lot of these YouTubers do, but I thought I would try it out if you guys would like to support my channel and keep it going. And what I mean by that is, by supporting my channel and buying this merchandise, like a shirt or a hoodie or maybe a coffee mug, that will help me make more videos. I can do more giveaways. There's more things that I can do to expand my channel, which I'm hoping to do in the future. So that's just an idea. If that's interesting to you guys, or if you guys can afford it and you want to support my channel, if not, it's good. I mean, it's cool. You don't have to. You can. There'll be a link in the description below, or sometimes there's like a little box under the video that will take you to like the little store, I guess, where you can purchase any merchandise of mine that you would like. Right now I think I just have a shirt, but that's one idea. I'm just trying to think of different ways to support my channel so I can do more giveaways for you guys and just make more content and make it better and take the time to actually focus on it. I've been really busy and just, you know, life and other things like we all experience. But yeah. So if you want to check that out, like I said, links in the description below, or there'll be a little box on the bottom of this video or below this video you can go to, check it out, and I think that's it. So that's what I want to talk to you guys about, what I've been up to. Not much, as you can see. I've been working on a blanket, a new pattern, not my pattern, but something new that I just learned, and trying to figure out how to use those Addy Flexi Flips. I think they'll work good. It's pretty much kind of like Magic Loop. It's just there's sometimes a little needle in the way, so you have to get a, you know, your own rhythm, your own way of doing it. It takes some adjusting. There's adjustment period to using those, but like I said, I'm going to be doing a video review on those, and yeah, so it's been nice. I'm making another video. I feel like I haven't made one in forever, so it's just been nice to say hello and connect back with you guys. Please leave your comments down below. I love to read your guys' comments. Just let me know what you guys have been up to, or what you would like me to do a video on next, or if you have any ideas. That would be great, because that is another hard aspect of having a YouTube channel, is what to do next, what to do. It's always on my mind. What kind of video am I going to make next? So if you have any ideas, please let me know in the comments below. And I think that's all I want to talk about today. So guys, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out tremendously. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so now. And don't forget to click the bell icon when you do. That way you're notified when I upload. Again, links are in the description below. If you want to follow me on Facebook or join my private Facebook group, or just check out the merchandise that I have for sale if you would like to support my channel, those are all going to be down below as well. And that's going to be it for today, guys. So until next time, I hope you all have a super wonderful, fabulous day, and happy knitting, happy crocheting. Bye.